hold up, wait a minute. Before the video starts, we got merchandise right here. We got t-shirts, we got jackets, we got sweaters, we got stickers, and we got some nice mugs. Hope you guys can come on down to the link in the description and go check out your boy or check out the shirts over here that we have for you. We have Glitchy Heart, we got a new one, and we have Loverboy Moe. And for all that, enjoy the video, and I'll catch you all later. L, Rem, say hi.
Hi. Live stream. The main bitch is here. Don't worry about that other bitch. It may be his stream, but it's my stream.
No,
that's my stream, bitch.
Oh Jesus! Hello, everybody.
All right. So this is different types of people on airplanes. I never really had a bad experience on an airplane.
I did.
What was your bad experience? What happened on the plane? Oh, that landing?
Yeah.
Nah, bro. When we was flying back, that landing was so smooth, but I didn't even know we landed.
It was a smooth landing.
But I gotta fly all the way to Puerto Rico, and that's like a couple hour flights. I won't get there till like 7 in the morning. 7 at night. I'm sorry, 7 at night. 7 at night. Yep.
Not too bad.
Yeah. All right. So different people on the airplane. Let's see how this goes, man.
Oh God.
Boy, stop all that screaming. The plane ain't even moved yet.
Boy, haven't moved yet?
No, we ain't even go yet.
That was me.
Sorry.
But we about
that
to
was
be
not
out. We
you on
moving
the
out.
plane.
Yeah, we
I was
moving
screaming
out.
internally.
Yo, can someone shut that baby up? My goodness. Can someone please shut that baby the hell up?
Let me see the baby.
I'm scared
No,
if I go to Texas and I'm on my flight and this is just a crying baby. I don't know how I react.
Why would you be scared?
Here.
Because I don't want to be on a 5-hour flight with a crying baby. I'll chuck that bitch out the window. I will yeetus the fetus.
Wow.
See, like what he just did, I'm gonna do that.
That's sweet. Oh my God.
That was me. I was mostly asleep.
Hello, sir.
Oh,
You want these
God.
pretzels? Oh, yes, I do.
Excuse me. I want those pretzels.
I'm sorry, they're the last ones. I'm giving it to him.
Is that right? Well, I said what I said. Give them to me now!
And I said what I said. I'm giving them to him.
Oh.
Thank you.
Is that right?
Hold on.
Well, until I get my pretzels, we're
Hey,
going
his
down.
wig,
What did you mean
his
by
wig
that?
busting though. Tyler Perry would be jealous.
I'll show you.
Oh God.
Sorry, hold on.
He got
Sorry,
that,
my headphones.
she
got
should have had that
disconnected.
Shamar Moore
Hold on.
wig.
Technical difficulty. Hold up.
Potato computer.
Boo,
Hold
your
on.
stream stuck.
Potato
What
computer.
headphones can I possibly mother flipping use?
Boo. Terrible stream host.
I'll be right back. You better not be talking about anything about me like last time.
What are you even talking about?
Hey, what's up, chat?
Thank God he's gone.
Okay, so like I think it's time for a bit of self promotion. Hello, if any of y'all read
What you shameless self promoter?
Hey, bro, I gotta grind.
You feel like, all right.
Hello, if any of y'all read webtoons, I have a story on there called Gem Hunters. The hunters with the S is replaced with a Z.
What? Man,
Chat, don't
you know what?
don't tell.
Should I promote my OnlyFans on here or no?
I mean,
can do that, I guess. No, I can't.
I don't got no OnlyFans.
I'm about to go look at it. I'm about to go look and see what chat's saying.
God damn it.
Holy and send the link. Chat, I got an OnlyFans, but it's just pictures of fans.
Okay.
You're saying okay, but they're good quality fans. They'll keep you cool in the summer. You need a fan to sleep on to keep on at night while you sleep. Perfect.
Okay, I'm back. What were you guys talking about?
Nothing.
Alright, let's continue.
Okay.
Just give him the pretzels now. Just give it to him. I don't want him to get rid
Thank you.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Who is Cool Kabi with? Stop it, Ray.
But that's my seat. If you don't get up, we're gonna have a problem.
What happened?
Why, you just gonna come in?
What exactly do you mean when you say problems? Either
Ooh.
you
Oh,
get
so I
up,
can't
or
say
I
you
make
suck.
you
Ooh.
get up. The choice is yours.
Alright, mods.
He gonna make me get up. Yeah, he obviously don't understand. Sir, do you understand who I be? I don't think you understand, sir. See, this is why I go to anger management, because I try to contain myself.
Brother.
People like
Who
this
is-
that always make me lose myself.
Rem, is this you?
What you doing?
Oh. The gamer. This is me. This is me.
Okay, let's play search and destroy. Okay.
Bomb has been planted.
The bomb has been planted.
What?
There's a bomb on the plane? Wait,
No,
there's a bomb on the plane?
don't say that.
Oh my god!
All you gotta say is you dropped the bomb on me.
You just come over.
See you later.
Hello, all passengers. I just want to let you guys know, please put your cell phones in airplane mode. Thank you.
Man, this be scaring me, bro. Sometimes.
Sometimes I be doing that. But just for like a second.
Sir,
You be
is
trying
your
to kill
phone
us.
on airplane
You
mode?
trying to kill
Does that
us?
really? Does that really?
Bro, the plane gonna do a whole flip.
That bug's gonna say, do a flip.
Midair,
Sir,
just
please
do a
put
whole
your
barrel
phone on
roll.
airplane mode
Just
before
do a whole
this
barrel
Do a
roll.
barrel roll.
Yes.
What are you gonna kick me off the plane? I really don't care.
No, worse than that.
Worse than that. Oh, okay. Ma'am, can you just please leave me alone? I'm on my phone. Thank you.
5, 4, 3,
Oh, countdown.
2, 1.
Oh!
Oh, dang.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm kind of scared, right? It's my first time.
That was me. That was me.
Oh yeah.
That was hell.
Yeah.
How is it?
No, it's not bad.
It was you too. It wasn't just me.
Okay, bad.
Hey, you didn't see it though.
I couldn't because I wasn't sitting next to you.
Hey, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Oh, moving, bro.
See, I had a right to be nervous because the way the first two times we landed, nah.
God,
Look,
that's terrible.
Look, I just held onto my
Why
pineapple
my stomach feel like
That
this?
tight
turbulence?
and just
Why the
Oh.
plane shaking?
I just held onto my pineapple tight and just hope for the best.
Please stop turbulence. Whoever you are, stop turbulence.
The turbulence was terrible.
I won't ever be on someone's seat whenever they
Bro, that was me, bro. I was praying.
seat cushion. Lord, I promise
I said, God, please don't let me get final destination. I'm too
Your final destination.
Plane stop. It's not moving no more. It's not moving.
Oh. Okay, that wasn't that bad. I'm so excited to be on an
Oh God.
Yes, I have.
Great. When have you been?
Well, it was 1962. I was in the airplane ready to go to war. Then boom, it blew up. I had to fall down and kill people with my bare hands, and I broke his neck. I broke it, I tell you, I broke it.
Oh.
I stuck my fingers in his eyeballs and gouged it out. I ate all the eyeballs of everyone trying to attack me. I was the reason we won World War II. So yeah, that was the last time I was in a plane.
Okay, great.
I bet you're not excited no more.
Sir, we landed like an hour and a half ago.
An hour and a half ago.
How long we had to wait for the plane to take off?
Oh my god.
I hated that.
Hello, everyone. I am your flight attendant today. So, on this flight...
Bro, the flight attendant just ignored me. Just ignored me.
Hey, you see that? That's what Spirit Airlines don't have.
You flown Spirit before?
No, I just know that they had bad service.
Oh god.
People still pay for it.
Spirit.
That's Spirit Airline right there.
You're gonna become a Spirit. Keep it up.
Hey, bro, that's the transportation, dog.
Nothing. Y'all ain't been first class, so it don't matter.
I can just fly in the air as Spirit. I gotta wait for no rides.
Other than that, man, I just... Hold up. Hello? Jacqueline, why you always call me? You see I'm working. Hey, man.
Bro, I just realized if I go to they gotta pay for that Wi-Fi on the plane.
I don't know if I'm gonna pay for that. I probably might just be asleep. Want to see the
Hello,
music.
this is your pilot. I just want to let you know that the weather and skies are clear and it should be a smooth flight. So just sit back and relax. Thank you. Hey, bro, I ain't gonna lie. This is my first time flying a plane. I didn't even know how to fly a plane. Last time I flew a plane, it was in GTA, bro. So you know how to do this stuff? No, bro, I don't know how to do this. Oh, bro, we both don't know how to do it. Oh, snap, bro.
Oh, heck no. We gotta get off. Get off the plane. Oh, heck no. We gotta go.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, God.
Bro, that was deep. On the way back to Austin, but that was deep. Whoever's in that bathroom, they were terrible.
Oh, they do not go in there, man. Oh, it's stank in here, man. It's stank. What? You said what? It's stank, though. Hey, you next? You can go in next after me. But look, just wait for an hour and 45 minutes. Actually, wait 2 days, because it is bad in there, bro. All right.
Shut the door.
Oh no.
Yeah, tripping.
Excuse me. It's a little hot in first class. Can you please put the air conditioner on? Thank you.
I want to experience first class someday.
You tell the pilot to hurry up.
No, I don't even know how much first class is.
Oh, excuse me. When is my dinner coming? I had a whole steak.
If I ever get in first class, best believe I'm going to hold a wine.
First class, I deserve better treatment.
Or actually wine glass and I'm going to swig it around.
Oh hell no! It said the average cost for first class is $1,300.
Dang.
Get up. Thank you.
First class, baby.
Check it.
First class.
Go ahead and check it.
Whatever Jack Harlow said.
Oh, really? You're with the poverty folks, huh?
Yeah,
okay.
And dry ass.
I apologize. Thank you. I appreciate it.
The beat go hard though.
Yeah, and the chorus, and that's it.
The seat kicker.
Yeah.
Ew. Oh no.
I'm waiting for the day someone decide to kick my fucking chair.
What you gonna do?
They're gonna have to drag me off the plane.
They gonna throw you out in midair?
You gonna be Pandora? You gonna be Pandora?
Yes.
You say you gonna be free fall?
Oh yes, excuse me.
Yes, I will be free falling.
Oh yeah, miss, but one more thing. Do y'all got chips I can snack on? Yeah. Actually, one more thing. Do y'all have like full course meals with chicken and rice? Oh, one more thing.
Some planes actually do give you like cooked meals.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Oh, another thing. Do y'all got a buffet on the plane?
if there was a buffet on that plane.
That would be me if I got a window seat.
Bro, flying is cool. But my only problem is my ears. My ears get stopped up.
They do.
Yes, sir. How can I help you?
Oh, can I get a water, please?
No problem, sir. How can I help you, sir?
Can I also get some chips?
No problem.
Can I get your number?
Yes, you can get that too. All right.
And can you fix my TV? I want.
Okay, sir. Let me just come right back real quick, sir.
What's the Wi-Fi passcode?
Sir, I can only do one thing, sir. Stop pushing that button before I push my fist down your throat.
My bad.
Oh.
Okay?
I didn't know.
No, you know now. Now stop.
Yes, I just
Stop.
With your stupid ass.
Okay? Yes, I'm gonna go get your stuff. Okay? Dang.
I gotta pee so bad. Excuse me, I gotta use it. Sorry. Dang, I gotta pee again. God, I'm about to pee. I gotta use it. Hold on. Sorry. Whew. Oh, I feel so much better. Stomach.
Stop.
I gotta use it again. And I ain't talking about doing number 1. I'm talking about number 2. Hey, excuse me. I gotta blow the bathroom up.
Wait a minute. What did you say?
Huh?
Teddy.
Huh?
No.
I said I had to go blow the bathroom up.
Is that right?
It's crazy.
He's
Teddy
about to
actually-
blow the bathroom
What are you talking
up.
about?
I think
Oh my God.
Blow the bathroom, the toilet up.
Oh, he's gonna blow the
Like,
toilet
you
up.
know, when you
He's
poop,
gonna blow the
No, I
toilet
don't
up,
have-
everyone. Get off of
Bro,
here.
I gotta use the bathroom.
Get your hands up.
Wait,
Get your
man.
hands up.
Get
Get your hands up.
Okay.
Stop resisting.
You good?
Stop
You
resisting.
good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Nah, that's what Teddy. This one's Teddy.
All right, man.
Which one?
This one.
Bro, you
Yeah,
look like
he
you
did
about
get
to throw up.
He did get sick.
Teddy was leaning. He was leaning. Bro, Teddy actually threw up on the plane, bro. Like, I feel like the whole plane
That was
would
my
have just
good
did the whole
bag.
pepper
But
roll.
whatever. Are you good now?
Yeah, I'm good now.
Good.
boy. I was about to say.
All right. You gonna have to clean. Hey,
Oh.
You got to throw all over me.
Oh,
I'm
God.
so sorry.
I'm gonna throw up.
Hey,
I'm
clean
gonna-
up. We need to clean this. Woo, boy, I enjoyed this trip big time. You from California?
Oh
Oh,
no.
you're not? Okay, where you from?
I'm from Madagascar.
Okay, Madagascar. I ain't never met no one from Madagascar. So when do you ever visit?
Yes, all the
Are you
time.
going to visit now?
Yes.
Hey, how you getting there?
On this direct flight.
On this flight?
Yes.
What you mean? This going to North Carolina?
No, we're going to Madagascar.
Excuse me, ma'am.
I feel like that's gonna be me.
Where's this plane going?
Madagascar.
Oh, to Madagascar?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, we going to Madagascar.
Oh my God, that was good. That was good. I like that one. That was good.
All right, Moe, you know what time it is.